What's up, guys? My name's Mitchell. Welcome to my channel. Today we got a big nice bar hog with some decent cutters that I shot about a week ago down in Central Florida on a ranch. A buddy of mine allowed me to go down there and shoot him with a thermal. It's an awesome time. Had a great opportunity. Shot this hog at like 40 yards in the cow pasture there. It was an older thermal, so I wasn't able to get any video of it, and they really didn't want a whole lot of filming, but I still appreciate them inviting me out. So I've never done a European mount on a hog before, but I've watched a lot of YouTube. Thanks to a lot of you guys for teaching me some stuff. And so I did pick up this Havalon folding scalpel knife. These hogs, their hair and their hide is terrible on a knife. I didn't want to dull my good skinning knives whenever I'm trying to clean a skull like this. So I picked one of these up from Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks. I think it's going to be a real good investment in the future. I also got tired of doing stuff like this, grinding meat, whatever, and getting all of my clothes soaked in blood and tissue and fat. And so I picked up a cheap waterproof vinyl set of overalls too for doing tasks like this. So trying to stay a little bit cleaner, trying to work a little bit smarter, not necessarily harder. So anyway, figured I'd let you guys come along. I'm gonna fumble through it, but gonna hopefully get this hog cleaned up, boiled, sprayed down with a pressure washer, degreased in some acetone, and hopefully have something to be proud of and put in my office. So stay tuned. Appreciate you watching. Got the pot going. Gonna let it warm up. Start cooking that meat off of there. Starting to get good. We're gonna pull it out and see. Yum. Smells delightful. Look at those cutters. Man. Got some spraying to do. All right, got it submerged in 2.5 gallons of acetone with a little bit of water. I wasn't gonna spend $20 more to get another gallon of acetone, so it still wouldn't have been enough. But gonna let it sit for a week, get all that grease out of the skull. Then I'm gonna coat it with the hair cosmetic stuff, peroxide, bleach it out, and get it finished. 24 hours. You can see that grease trapped on top of the surface. That's coming out of the bone. Gonna let it soak for a week. All right. So the way my schedule was, wound up being 8 days, but you can see all of that grease and all of that fat on top. So we're gonna pull them out and get them dried off. That acetone should dry pretty quick. Then I'll put the whitening solution on there, the peroxide, and I'll whiten them out. Add a little bit of this 40% by volume from the hair store. Starting to work. All right, it's the next day. Let it sit in the peroxide solution all night. All right, guys, there's the final product. Thank you for watching me stumble through it. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's gonna look great in my office. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Till next time, take care. God bless.